Kenya Scan Group posting a 14% drop in full-year pre-tax profit. That's to 1.1 billion shillings, hit by a cost of setting up its new West African markets. CNBC Africa's Laban Cliff Fonserio spoke to Scan Group's finance director Manish Shah to discuss the numbers.
If you look at our business on a like-for-like basis, so 60% of revenue still comes from Kenya and another 10 from Tanzania and Uganda. So overall, around 80% of our business still comes from East Africa. So if I had to look at my organic business, we had 1% growth in our EBITDA, okay, and though we had around 12% growth in our revenue. That's mainly because of other disciplines grew very well, which contributed around 21% of the total revenue compared to 17% in 2011. But this 12% growth we couldn't convert into profit because mainly increase in the cost base. You've seen the increased competition. Yeah, TBW has become active in East Africa. We've got competition from Transcend. Then Red House, the gentleman who was working with us, Kume Mambia, in Ogilvy, now he has gone and set up his own agency. So we had to make sure that we keep our quality, we keep our people. So we made an additional investment in the people. We also basically started a new division called Savannah, which provides comms and strategy planning services. Because of the client conflicts, we had to invest in the additional infrastructure, new offices, and also we had to improve on our staff training. So as a result, overall cost base went up, which affected our margin by 4% basis on a like-for-like basis.
Take us through your contributors to your top line to 4.2 billion, starting from public relations, digital media, and research.
PR is doing very well. We had over 40% growth in PR. Digital, because of the heavy investment, still it's not making the significant contribution to the group's bottom line. But in coming years, we see a basically huge contribution coming from these other disciplines. Yeah, you saw advertising and media is really shrinking. We had only 6% growth from our organic business, and that's the thing that going forward we'll be investing in other disciplines, and they will drive the growth in East Africa. And if you look at growth in above the line advertising and media, we don't have a presence right now in most of the markets. Like Ghana, we just started in 2010. Nigeria, we have set it up, but still there is no solid business there. Francophone markets, we don't exist. So if we go and set up in these markets, that will bring advertising revenues. Yeah, and then once we are strong in our advertising business there, then we'll start offering these other disciplines to client. Yeah, the advantage we have that we already invested in these other disciplines in Kenya. So we just need to put the one salesman or one salesperson in all these other markets. He can go get the business and delivery can be made out of Kenya. So there will be a lot of synergies coming out of this going forward.
Apart from your expansion to West Africa, what's your general outlook for 2013? We
are in an investing mode. We have to sort out Nigeria. This year we are looking at setting up in Francophone markets as well. Then also investment which we have made that should start now giving us the results. So I think next 2 to 3 years basically we are looking at investing in the business, making sure that we have got a good network on which we have the capability of delivering 360-degree services to our clients. So I would say that basically we are a bit cautious in our growth for this year as well.